Transform your Amazon FBA sales from flat to fantastic with product images that truly sell. Today, we're diving deep into the art of creating Amazon FBA product listing images that not only meet Amazon's strict guidelines but also grab customer attention and skyrocket your conversions. First, the hero image. This is your main attraction. It must be on a pure white background, filling at least 85% of the frame, and clearly show the product itself. No props, no text, just your product in its best light. Next, showcase your product's best features with additional images. Think close-ups highlighting quality, different angles showing functionality, and even a sense of scale with a common object for comparison, if applicable. Now, let's talk infographics. These are your secret weapon for communicating value. Use them to highlight key benefits, explain dimensions, show what's included in the package, or even illustrate how to use your product. Lighting is crucial. Aim for bright, even lighting that reveals every detail. Natural diffused light is excellent. Or invest in a simple lighting setup to avoid harsh shadows that can obscure your product. Resolution matters. Ensure your images are at least 1000 pixels on the longest side and no more than 3000 pixels. This allows for the zoom feature, letting customers inspect your product up close. Don't forget lifestyle images. Show your product in action in a real-world setting. This helps customers visualize themselves using and benefiting from your product, building desire and trust. Remember, each image should tell a part of your product's story. Focus on benefits, not just features. What problem does your product solve? How does it make their life better? By following these steps, you're not just uploading pictures. You're crafting a visual sales pitch that drives clicks, builds confidence, and ultimately converts browsers into buyers. Invest in your product photography. It's an investment in your Amazon FBA success.